Hey there everyone, welcome back in Dart Programming Language Tutorial series. My name is Azhar Slim. In this video tutorial we are going to discuss about strings. So I'm going to remove my previous comments and the code, and here let's type a var and ABC. This is first string, and here the variable is xyz. This is second string, var name, and var age. Actually, these are our strings, and here in a variable I passed an integer value. So string, we can use a double quotation or single quotes like that, and if we need here like it's now this time it's not work, we have to give here pass backslash. Now it's okay, and this is second string here as well. If I pass here should mark this, now it's okay. So it's skip this a single quotation mark, and if I pass here backslash n, it means a new line. And one more thing we can use here, string interpolation. It's like that $, then age. Save and print name. Save, run dot playground dot Mr. John 25. If I pass name Mr. John and age, here I'm going to pass a new line. Save, again run our playground. Now we have here name Mr. John and age 25 here. It's coming this space because of this. If I remove, you can see it's and the space now is removed, and the name is Mr. John and the age is here. So it's our strings and how to manipulate our string and pass a variable. That's for this tutorial. See you next one.